Having spent several weeks testing the GMKtec K10 mini PC workstation, I can confidently say this compact device redefines expectations for small form factor computing. The matte black enclosure, measuring just 4.49 x 4.17 x 1.67 inches, belies the serious hardware within. An Intel Core i9-13900HK processor with 14 cores and 20 threads. From the moment I unboxed the unit, the professional packaging and included 120W power adapter suggested this was no ordinary mini PC. Initial setup proved straightforward, with Windows 11 Pro booting rapidly from the pre-installed 1TB NVMe SSD. What immediately stands out is the port selection: 8 USB ports, 4 USB 3.2 Gen 2 and 4 USB 2.0 flank the sides alongside dual HDMI 2.0 ports and a DisplayPort 1.4 connection. The inclusion of a COM port caught my attention, a rarity in consumer-grade hardware, but essential for industrial applications. Under load, the active cooling system maintains CPU temperatures around 78 degrees Celsius during sustained workloads, though the fan noise becomes noticeable at 42 dB in performance mode. Daily productivity tasks like 4K video editing in DaVinci Resolve and 3D rendering in Blender showed no significant thermal throttling, with the CPU maintaining boost clocks up to 5.1 GHz. The Intel Iris Xe graphics handled triple 4K display output effortlessly, though 8K resolution on the DisplayPort required reducing refresh rates to 30 Hz for stable performance. Expandability is where the K10 truly shines. Installing additional NVMe drives proves simple, thanks to tool-free access to all 3 M2 slots. While the pre-configured 32GB DDR5 RAM operates at 5,200 MHz, slightly under the advertised 5,600 MHz spec, upgrading to 96GB using compatible SODIMM modules worked without issue. Network performance proved reliable, with the 2.5G Ethernet port sustaining 2.3 Gbps in iPerf 3 tests, though the Wi-Fi 6 implementation required positioning within 15 feet of the router for optimal speeds. Industrial users will appreciate the COM port's stability when interfacing with PLC systems, though home users might find those legacy connections unnecessary. The lack of 10G Ethernet may disappoint NAS enthusiasts, but most users will find the 2.5G connection sufficient. After 3 weeks of continuous operation as a Plex server, the system maintained stable performance while drawing just 2335W at the wall during typical workloads. While not completely silent, the fan profile remains reasonable for office environments. Considering its $899 price point, the GMKtec K10 delivers exceptional value for content creators, engineers, and power users needing desktop-grade performance in a portable form factor. The 1-year warranty and responsive support team provide additional peace of mind for professional deployments.